Political parties often resemble a beehive, where there's the queen bee and there are the worker bees. If the workers do not coincide with the mentality of the queen, then they are vanished from the political scenario, never to be found again. This shows how only a few people, even within the political party, actually control the policies and the political framework of the nation. I would also like to refer to an instance where in Maharashtra, an MP was chosen with only 27% votes. 27% votes, and the remaining about 70% votes went to the opposition MPs, but they were divided due to partisanship. So with 20% people supporting one person, he becomes the MP of that particular constituency. Isn't that democracy for a few, of the few and by the few, where the majority does not have their own say? In India, even when we talk about voting for the parliament, we see people vote on the basis of local issues. That is, whether the councillor is making the drain or not, that logic will actually apply to which person comes to power in the Indian parliament. That is wrong, because the Indian parliament needs global output, and therefore we need people in the parliament who can actually work in the global scenario. But the people do not understand that, and hence only a few people get elected in the parliament who can actually make global policy framework. I would also like to state that in India, calculative voting takes place. For instance, a young leader who is considered to be the face of Indian democracy had to promise a 9% quota for the extreme backward classes, because a 4% swing in votes would ensure his ability to become, or his party's ability rather, to actually have the legislature in the state.